Hello students, today we going on with a further few more questions on Euclid's division lemma. We will discuss some questions from NCERT. So the first one is show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. So we start with that using Euclid's division lemma, which we already know. Division lemma gives us A is equal to BQ plus R, and we have already defined this, that R lies between 0 and B. R can be equal to 0 but cannot be equal to B. So here we take let B is equal to 6 because I need a 6 here. So this implies R can be equal to 0, 1, 2. These are the possible remainders, 3, 4 or 5. So we make some cases here. First of all, case 1. For all these values of R, we will take the values for A, outcome values of A. Case 1, when R is equal to 0. So my A will be equal to, in that case, 6Q. Right, B is equal to 6 and R equal to 0, 6Q, which I can further write as 2 into 3Q. Which is, as I have written it as a multiple of 2, taking 2 common outside, this is an even number. Right, then going to case 2. Case 2, R equal to 1. So A will come out to be this time 6Q plus 1. I cannot write it as a multiple of 2. I cannot take a 2 common throughout. So that's why this is an odd number. This is the basic difference between an even and the odd number. Case 3, I will get for R equal to 2. So A comes out to be 6Q plus 2. Again, I can take a 2 common and write it as 3Q plus 1. As it has 2 in its prime factorization, so it's an even number again. Going further, I will take case 4 now. So case 4 now will give me R equal to 3. So A comes out to be 6Q plus 3. I can take a 3 common if you will see. So this is of course a multiple of 3 but not a multiple of 2. And right now we have to prove, we have to differentiate them on the basis of evens and odds. 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 5 should be the odd integers. So that is what we can see very clearly. This is an odd integer again. Then case 4. Okay, case 4 done. Case 5, we have R is equal to 4. So A is equal to 6Q plus 4. I can take 2 common, so this will be 3Q plus 2 and it's an even number. Then case 6. Case 6, the last one. Last possible value of R is 5. So A comes out to be 6Q plus 5, which is again an odd number as we cannot write it as a multiple of 2. So very clearly we have seen that we have 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3 and 6Q plus 5 are the odd integers in this expression. Another one, if we see, using Euclid's division lemma to show the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So in this one, students, we have to take the square and show that only these are the two possibilities. As there we had two possibilities, it can be, and the outcome can be an even number or an odd number. Now this time I can write the expression as 3m or 3m plus 1, where m can be any integer. So we again start with using Euclid's division lemma. Division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. Of course, writing this is always important. You have marks for this, that r can be equal to 0 and should be less than b. So let here we'll assume b is equal to 3. So the possible values of r can be the remainder. If b is equal to 3, the divisor is equal to 3, r can be 0, the remainder 1 or 2. So we have three cases here. So case 1. Case 1, r equal to 0 I'll start with. Now this time we have to take the square. So I will start with a square. So b equal to 3, r equal to 0. So it is 3q whole square, which is 9q square, which I can write as 3 into 3q square. Let 3q square be m. So this implies I'll get this as 3m. Okay, this is one of the required expressions. Now case 2. Let r is equal to 1 this time. So this implies a square will be 3q plus 1 whole square. So that will be, if we open the whole square, 9q square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square. So which I can write as 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now let's see from where I can take a 3 common. I can take a 3 common from first two terms. So that is 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Let this time we'll substitute 3q square plus 2q equal to m. So this is the expression of the form 3m plus 1, the second option we had. Then the third case, case 3, can be r equal to 2. So this implies a square will come out to be 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2 whole square. So we will have 9q square plus 2 multiplied by 3q multiplied by 2 plus 2 square 4. So I rewrite it as 9q square plus 2 into 2 4 into 3 12q plus 4 I can break as 3 plus 1. So that I can take a 3 common from first three terms. So 3q square plus 4q plus 1, and this is plus 1. Here again, if I put this one as, I'll underline these also. This is m here, this was m here. So here also if I write this as m, so ultimately we will get the final expression again as 3m plus 1. This is what we had to prove, that the expression, outcome expression should be 3m plus 1, or this is also 3m plus 1. Then the next one is another question. Now we have to take the cube. The method is exactly same. We again start with, by Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. R can be 0 or less than B. By, I'll just mention here, Euclid's division lemma. So now this time students, we can see we have a 9 here. Taking 9 will give us so many cases for r. So because you have to ultimately cube it, and in the powers of 3 everywhere you will get 9. So we take again b equal to 3. So again r can have values 0, 1 and 2. So we have again three cases. So the first one is case 1. Case 1, b equal to 3, r equal to 0. So I have to take a cube this time. So a cube will be equal to 3q whole cube, which will be 27q cube, right? So if I take a 9 common, I will be left with 3q cube here. And this thing, let 3q cube is equal to m. So I get this as 9m. This is my first expression. Then case 2. Case 2 is Again b equal to 3, r equal to 1. So we will have a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. So it will be 27q cube plus, I hope you all remember the identity of a plus b whole cube. It's a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? So this is 27q cube. I'll write this one later. And what is this? This is 9 into 3, 27q square plus this is 9q plus 1. I can take 9 common from first 3. So I'll write down, this is taking 9 common, I will have 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. And now putting, as we assumed this as m here, so here I'll put this as m. So if this is m here, we will get ultimately the required expression as 9m plus 1. Writing 3q cube plus 3q square plus q equal to. Then the third case, case 3 is for r equal to 2, last one. So we can go on with again a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Open the whole cube here. So 27q cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 3q square into 2 plus 3 into 3q into 2 square. So if I open all these, I will ultimately get 27q cube plus 8 plus 3 into 2, 6 into 9q square plus we will have 3 into 4, 12 into 3 cube. So 27q cube plus 6 into 9q square plus 12 into 3q plus 8. From here, if I take 9 common for my required expression, I'll get 3q cube left here plus 6q square plus 4q and plus 8. So if I put now this thing as m, so we will get ultimately 9m plus 8, which is the required expression.